Kartechner Girls started back in 2020. I was looking for a way to maybe add some beauty to this world in such a chaotic, uncertain time. And so I started a garden with my daughters. We grew a garden for 3 years and I sold bouquets at a couple different shops. I soon outgrew my house and I needed a bigger space to create. I try to offer a more flower-focused floral arrangement. I'm trying to source local blooms when I can, and when I can't, I'm working with my wholesalers to find really unique, fresh blooms that maybe you haven't seen before. I offer wrapped bouquets, and then I also offer flower arrangements. I'm a full-service florist, so I also do events and weddings, funerals, but maybe with a garden-inspired touch. Even if you're not buying flowers, there's so much to choose from. I have lots of different cards and gifts, along with a really fun, bright variety of pots for your plants. Also accessories, things to take care of your plants. I really enjoy hearing what my customers want and trying to bring that vision to life and finding the best possible flowers to do it with. Come check out Downtown Waupun and swing by Kartechner Girls to grab a thoughtful gift for someone in your life or to grab yourself some flowers.